Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful video for you today. Now you guys, let me say this much. I'm starving and I have a wonderful seafood foil recipe for you today. So this is going to be something wonderful. You can cook it in your oven, leave it alone, go about your business, come back and have a wonderful steamed seafood meal for you to enjoy. Healthy, okay? This is for weight loss. This is something that is healthy enough for you to eat and not have to worry about that crazy calorie count on your regular health journey. So let's start with the recipe now. Alright, so we are in the kitchen as you see. Show you some of the things that you're going to need for this wonderful seafood boil. Now today I'm using my shrimp and I got some colossal sized tiger shrimps. Alright, so these are already cleaned, deveined, and ready to cook, okay? So I washed them with some lemon juice and water, soaked it for a little bit, and they're ready. You're also going to need some cherry red potatoes. Well, I call them cherry red potatoes, but these are the little red potatoes. And I only took out a few of them, and what I did to clean them was scrub them with my fruit brush. It's like a little scrub brush that I wash my fruits and vegetables with. Scrubbed off the dirt, washed it off, so I have a few of those, which we're going to be cutting in half. I'm also going to be using my Old Bay seasoning. I was looking for the peppery one, but couldn't find it. But my regular Old Bay seasoning. I'm also going to be using my Cajun season, Louisiana Cajun, alright? And also, I'll be using some smoked sausage, okay? Any kind of smoked sausage should do. And I'm also going to be using my corn on the cob. Alright, so let's start this nice seafood foil boil right now. Okay, so as you can see, I got my foil ready for my shrimps. My oven has been preheated for 350 degrees. You're also going to need a little bit of some lemon juice for the side. And lastly, you're also going to need some parsley flakes. So let's start this boil right now. Now let's put our pan on the side and let's bring forth our cutting board. Now excuse my cutting board. My red bell pepper stained it and I gotta do something with that. Alright, so to start this off, you're going to start preparing your items. So I'm going to start off by cutting my potatoes into halves. Okay, so our potatoes are ready. We're just going to put that back in a bowl and put that on the side for now. Okay. Next, we're going to start slicing up our sausage as well. Now, I bought a little pack of sausage, but I'm not going to be using this whole entire sausage because I don't eat that much. Alright. So I'll just use this right here. Okay. And basically just slice that up into little pieces. Okay. And I'm going to throw that also in my bowl with the potatoes. So we're just going to leave that in the bowl. Next we're going to start preparing our corn. Okay, I'm only going to use one out of the 3-pack. Strip your corn and we're going to wash this. All of our fruits and vegetables have to be washed before using. Now, if you have a strong scissor for your kitchen, you can use that. But we're from the islands and what we do is we just break it in half. And I'll probably leave this piece like that and cut off the end. But you can either cut it with a knife or if you're strong enough to break it, you can break it. So again, I'm just throwing that in my little seasoning thing right here. And now we're ready to season our food. Now you're going to need a nice sizable foil. It all depends on how much shrimp or seafood that you're using. But being that I'm not using much, I'm using, I think this is about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of these big colossal shrimps. So I'm going to throw everything here in the middle. And I'm going to throw my shrimp in there as well. Okay, so we're going to put everything in there. Now, as you can see, this looks like a lot of food, right? And your girl really cannot eat that much, but this is for the sake of the video, okay? All All right, so let's start with our seasoning. Now we're going to use our Cajun seasoning. And you're just going to, this is all to taste, you guys. All right. Put enough seasoning on that so this way your shrimps and vegetables will be nicely flavored. And we're also going to be adding in some Old Bay seasoning on top of this as well. And lastly, I'm going to be adding in some parsley flakes. Basically, this is for garnishment, but I'm going to put this in here as well. Okay. And everything is to taste, you guys. Okay. Lastly, you're just going to wrap up your boil. Now, I really did not pick up enough foil paper, so. Okay, well, I'm going to do another thing of foil because that's not enough. And this smells so good. Oh my gracious. Alright, so that's a nice big enough size foil. And I'm just going to toss this on top of here. Okay, put it in there. And we're going to wrap it up. And that's it. Now we're going to take this and pop it in our oven and bake it. One thing I forgot to do, you guys, is add in either my extra virgin olive oil or some parquet butter. So I'm going to quickly just squirt some butter in my seafood mix. And then I'm going to rewrap it and pop it back in the oven to finish cooking. Alright. So don't forget that step, y'all. Forgive me, please. And we'll be back. And just put it in your oven. And that's it. So we'll be back once that's finished. Alright, you guys. So let's see now. Alright. Oh, yes. It's definitely hot. So good. Oh yes, look at that. That looks delicious. Yes, it's ready. Alright, so it is ready, and what I'm gonna do now, being that it's ready to eat, I'm just gonna splash a little bit of, drizzle a little bit of my lemon juice on it. Okay, and that's it. I'll be enjoying this wonderful meal with my celery juice, which is what I just finished juicing. But this is lunch, you guys. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Delicioso, delicioso. All right, and bon appetit. Fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.